Hi students, I am Sumalata. In today's class, I am going to explain about, as usual, previous year Eamcet papers, few important questions. Try to watch complete video. If you feel useful and informative, please do subscribe, share these videos to your known people. Mention your words in comment section. Here in this question, 2-bromopentane is heated with potassium ethoxide. Potassium ethoxide, then in presence of ethanol. 2-bromopentane is heated with potassium ethoxide in presence of ethanol. The major product is what? The major product is what? Actually, here there is a possibility to form two products, cis and trans. He is asking you, cis is major or trans is major, you need to tell. Here, especially in this condition, trans will be the major product. See that reaction, 2-bromopentane, you can take CH3 CHBr CH2 CH2 and methylprobute pent CH3, okay, plus what he is saying, potassium ethoxide C2H5OK, potassium ethoxide, this is the C2H5OK, potassium ethoxide, in presence of ethanol, C2H5OH, okay, C2H5OH, then you will get CH3 CH double bond CH C2H5 is your product. Here it is in the form of trans form. It is in trans form only. So this is your answer. Trans form is the major product here. In this question, you can see how many geometrical isomers are possible for the compound with molecular formula C2FClBri. You can write its structure. C double bond C is there. This is fluorine, this is chlorine, bromine and iodine. So here carbon double bond is there, so that the rotation between two carbon atoms will be restricted. It will be following only geometrical isomerism, geometrical isomerism. That is the reason here it can show six possible isomers, 6 possible geometrical isomers, okay. That is the answer for that question. Next one, which of the following is made by step growth polymerization? Step growth polymerization, here first one, nylon 6,6, nylon 6,6. Why we are called it as step growth polymerization? Because so many first of all, monomers going to be combined, they will form dimer, then so many dimers will going to be combined, they will form polymers. So that it is the step growth polymerization. Here mainly using hexamethylene diamine, hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. These two are the monomers for the polymerization of nylon 6,6. Okay. Here in the first question, if you see, brown ring test is used to detect presence of which ion among the following options: nitrate, chloride, iodide and bromide. Here the option is the first one, nitrate ion. It is used to detect the identification of a nitrate ion. How you can use? See, ferrous sulfate you need to take, ferrous sulfate added to the nitrate ion containing compounds, and along with this you need to add concentrated H2SO4 drops, okay, drop wise you need to add to the test tube, okay. Then you will identify the presence of a nitrate ion by the formation of brown ring, okay. Then next question, see, oxidation states of sulfur in H2S2O8. H2S2O8 also known as Marshall's acid. Marshall's acid. You can see its structure if you see, sulfur, oxygen, sulfur, okay. How many completed? See, 2 oxygens completed, then S double bond O, yes, double bond O, here one OH, okay. Here also one OH, yes, double bond O, yes, double bond O. What is the oxidation state of sulfur here? Plus 6, plus 6. How you can identify plus 6? Because it is minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, this is also minus 1. So you can calculate 4, 6. So that is the reason your option will be. In this question, you need to identify given coordination complex has one unpaired electron. Which of the following statements are true? Which of the following statements are true? You need to identify. Generally, CO H2O taken 6. Here it is having 6 ligands. 6 ligands, along with 6 ligands, one unpaired electron is there, so that it is having octahedral complex. It is the octahedral complex, so that first one also correct. And second, is there any correct or not? Check. The complex is an outer orbital complex. Yes, this one also correct, because water molecules acting as a weak ligand. This is the weak ligand, that is the reason it is the outer orbital complex. So first, second, which one you have? So yes, C, option C is the right one. This complex is not diamagnetic. Why it is not? It is having only one unpaired electron, already given in the question, okay. So that it is wrong. Option C is the right answer. Here in this question, which of the following sets correctly represents the increase in the paramagnetic nature? Paramagnetic nature, which one having less paramagnetic and which one having more paramagnetic nature? You need to identify in this question. First of all, you need to know about how many lone pair of electrons, not lone pair, how many unpaired electrons. Unpaired electrons you need to identify. So here Cu plus 2, if you take, here only one unpaired electron, and also vanadium, you can take vanadium plus 2, 3 unpaired electrons. Next, chromium plus 2, 4 unpaired, manganese plus 2, 5 unpaired electrons, okay. So that I think this one is your answer, because see, 4 1 unpaired, 3, 4 and 5 unpaired, but the remaining options are not in the order. See, here 1 chromium 4, next vanadium 3, next manganese 5. So all are not in the order, so this is in the order. So this is the right answer, to increase in paramagnetic nature of given ions, okay. Next question. In the next question, you can see which of the following compounds undergoes Hofmann degradation reaction. Which of the compound undergoes Hofmann degradation? You will get the option C here. Why option C? Because here it is the primary amine. Primary amine converts, not primary amine, primary amide. Primary amide converts into primary amine. Primary amine with one carbon less, with one carbon less. This is the Hofmann degradation reaction. Hofmann degradation reaction, primary amide converts into primary amine with one carbon less, okay. This is the answer. Next question, which of the following is not an extensive property? Extensive property especially depends upon a amount, nothing but depends upon the mass of a substance. So your answer is this is your answer. This is not the extensive property. Which of the following molecule does not exist as according to MO theory? MO theory is nothing but molecular orbital theory. Answer for this question is Be2, beryllium. Beryllium molecule will not exist. What is the reason here? Because its bond order will be, BO means bond order will be 0. That is the reason this molecule cannot be exist, okay. Next, second question, you can see which of the following molecules is colorless, or which of the following molecule is colorless. Here options CuSO4 5H2O, CuSO4 anhydrous. Next, CuNH3 taken 4, CuCl4. If you see all these four options, the second one is your answer. Second one is your answer. What is the reason here? Because if you compare second one with first one and remaining molecules also, there is a ligands. Okay, ligands are there, but in second one no ligands. Here if you see first option, 5 water molecules are there. These water molecules acting as a ligands, but in second molecule there is no ligand. That is the reason DD transitions will not possible. DD transitions will not possible. If DD transitions will not possible, colored property will also not possible. So that answer will be the second one. I think you are all understand about all these questions. If you have any doubts, please mention your doubts in comment section. If you feel useful and informative, please do subscribe, share these videos to your known people. Like also. Okay, thanks for watching. We will meet in the next class.